students, welcome back to my channel with another maths tutorial video today, and I am going to explain you the area of square and rectangle, and I will also show you how to solve some critical sums on this topic. So let's get started. We can calculate area of a square by length multiplied by length, because for a square all sides are equal. Area of a rectangle will be length into breadth, because for rectangle length and breadth are different. Let's discuss one important sum here. PQRS is a rectangular page and ABCD is the margin inside the page. Now, how to calculate the area of the margin portion? The length of the page is 30 cm and breadth is 20 cm. And the thickness of the margin area is 5 cm. Now first we have to calculate the area of the total page. It will be 30 cm multiplied by 20 cm means 600 cm square. Now let's understand this problem in an interesting way. I took here one rectangular shape of thermocol as page, and I made one margin inside it. Now I am cutting the thermocol according to this margin line using any knife or thermocol cutter, and let's see what will happen. After cutting the thermocol piece, I am taking it out. Following this process, you have to also eliminate the area of the small rectangle from the area of the big rectangle to get the area of the margin portion. Now I shaded the margin area we have to calculate, and first I calculated the area of the page. To get the length of the small rectangle, we have to eliminate the thickness of the margin 2 times from it, and same as the breadth. Now the main portion of the sum is we have to eliminate the area of the smaller rectangle ABCD from the bigger rectangle PQRS to get the margin area. After getting the area of the small rectangle, we have to eliminate it from the area of the big rectangle to get the area of the margin portion, that will be 400 cm square. Now let's discuss another important sum. MNOP is a rectangular park and 2 roads are intersecting each other inside the park. The question is, what will be the area of these 2 roads? Suppose this thermocol piece is the park and I made the intersecting 2 roads inside it. Now I will cut the marked portion very carefully. After removing the 4 rectangle portion, we will get the area of the 2 roads. Same process we have to follow in our calculation. Now first I am calculating the area of the total park. Now I am calculating the length and breadth of the 4 small rectangles. First, for the length, we have to eliminate the thickness of the road from the total length of the big rectangle, and then I have to divide it with 2, same as the breadth. Now after getting the length and breadth of each 4 rectangles, we have to calculate the area of it. To get the area of 4 rectangles, we have to multiply it with 4, and then we have to subtract it from the area of the total park. So enjoy your mathematics, don't be scared of it. If you want explanation of any chapter about science or mathematics, you can write in my comment section. I will definitely try to help you. Stay tuned to my channel to get more and more interesting maths tutorial videos for you by students and by parents.